Hello, friends! Welcome to my surprise lab. Look at these eggs. So big and bright. What is inside? Let's find out tonight. Are you ready? Let's go! A green egg shaking on the floor. Listen to the sound behind the door. Sombrado? Who is it? Can you guess? Crack, crack, crack. It's a frog. Hop, hop, hop like a little frog. A yellow egg rolling all around. Listen to the sound that we just found.
Quack, quack.
Dodo! Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Crack, crack, crack. It's a duck. Quack, quack, quack. With lots of luck.
If you want to know what is inside, press like and subscribe now!